or Facebook or YouTube, the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man. And you can see the menu, the prices and everything. It's getting kind of late. Getting darker earlier. Just did this nice truck. This truck is nice. It's a 2004. Waxed it, polished and waxed it. Did the roof also too, all on top of it. As always, polish and wax the rubber and the plastic, and it's nice and shiny, as you can see. The way it's supposed to be, that way it won't oxidize anymore. It's been sealed from oxidation. Before you could rub it and get, you rub it with a rag or your finger, and black would come off on your finger, but not anymore. It is sealed. It's very important. We don't want that to go bad. You probably can't see inside the wheel wells, but they've been washed and cleaned well also too. Put protectant on the wheel wells, I always do. Inside the wheel wells, that is. The lady said the car looks so good she's going to have to start making car payments on it. And it's already paid off. That's quite a compliment. Clean this a little bit. Nice truck. I like the way that the back doors open up. You can't even tell that they do until you open up the front doors. Mini detail package inside the car. Everything is dressed and protected. She came out and you should have seen her eyes. Her eyes just got big. She's very, very happy. Windows washed inside and out. Good customer here. All the rubber has been treated on the door jambs. Have to do that. Keep it nice and soft. It discolors, and you gotta bring the color back to it also too. All that rubber has been treated right there. This color has to be waxed and polished and waxed at least once a year. It oxidizes badly. Took a lot of the oxidation off of this. The tray has been, there's a special wax that I put on the tray so the water will bead off of it and the tray will not turn colors. They like to turn gray when you don't treat them. The windshield wipers have been polished and waxed also too, because they were also oxidizing too. So the windshield wipers. And so I reversed it. I reversed a lot of the oxidation on this car and restored it, including this grill. It's been fully restored. It's got a nice coat of special wax on it also too. All this plastic has been treated well. Had pet hair in here. I got all I could see out of it. That's the kind of pet hair that has the hooks in it that hooks into the seats and carpet. It's all gone. You can't see any now. But I'm sure there's some in there hiding somewhere. Beautiful truck. Good customer. I've done that trailer right there. Waxed it, polished and waxed it, washed it, detailed it. It'll stay looking new for a long time now. And I basically restored it. And I did this motorhome of theirs. Very nice motorhome. Polished and waxed it. That was a job. It took 8 hours to do that. Detailed it very well. They're very, very happy people. They got all their vehicles have been totally restored back to brand new, and they're just happy. And I like to see people happy like that. Over here in Sequim, Washington, and you guys have a great day. I'm going to pack up and get out of here.